unable to charge your AirPods Max, or it is charging very slowly and not holding charge at all? Many people on various social media platforms are facing this problem. Here are some quick and easy solutions to fix AirPods Max not charging problem. First, take a brush and clean the charging port properly, because if there are some dust and dirt particle get stuck in the port and the cable does not connect to the port properly, your AirPods Max won't charge. Check your charging adapter and charging cable. If they are faulty, then it might cause a problem. Try using different charging cable and adapter. Also, try using a different charging outlet than the one you are using. Sometimes it has fixed the issue for some users. Now, next thing you can try is try to charge the AirPods Max in the smart case. Take the case, put your AirPods Max in the case and try to charge it. It has worked for some users, but if it's not working for you, check out the next ways. Connect your AirPods Max with the charger. Then you need to reset it. Now press and hold both digital crown and the noise cancellation button together and keep an eye on the status light. When it starts to blink and change the color, you will see your AirPods Max is charging and it should fix the issue. So guys, these are the ways you can easily fix AirPods Max not charging problem. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.